I'm whispering because we have a 1-year-old in the corner. He's been up since 4 a.m. This has been a very long travel day, but we wanted to give you a full room tour. Right now we're staying in the Residence Inn, Fort Lauderdale Airport and Cruise. Let me go ahead and get started into this. So I'm starting in the kitchen. As you can see, you do have a lot of cabinet space. They do provide you with like pots and pans, a strainer. You do get a microwave, a oven, an electric stove. Sorry to those gas stove lovers. And you do have your drawers over here. The drawers do have silverware in them, so you don't have to bring that. Knives, they're pretty sharp actually. You should have a knife block for that. You do a can opener, bottle opener, all that stuff. Now, to the fridge. The fridge, not a white refrigerator, thank God. You know, here we are. Pretty big fridge, pretty big. It does come with a pitcher though. Now, to the top part, which is the freezer. There's a freezer here, and it has an ice maker. I'm pretty happy about this because I am still pumping, so I don't have to worry about putting my milk in a mini fridge. Okay, on to here, you do have a toaster. I think I forgot to say that. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Dishwasher. Kind of a small dishwasher. You do have 2 racks, you know, but you aren't fitting that many dishes on here, but hopefully you won't really have to because either you're coming here because you're going to the airport or you're going to the cruise port, so you shouldn't have many dishes. Anyway, you have a sink with a garbage disposal. I'm not going to turn on because I think that our son will yell at us if I do, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. They do give you some dish soap, and I really like this. They give you a scrub mommy. I'm taking this home with me. I'm not using this here. I'm taking this home.
I'm leaving here with something. An
opener in the corner, and there's an ice bucket here. Paper towels. You do get 1 roll of paper towels, so that's good to know. Now, if you follow me this way, here you have your area where you'll be eating. Small table, 2 high top chairs. That's it. They did give us this welcome amenity bag, which just had some water in it and some Oreos. Now, on to over here. As you can see, the 1-year-old, he's sleeping. Then you have a nice little seating area. And there's an ottoman, which is a nice touch. So you can put your feet up. I'm not doing that though. Over here, you have a desk. Pretty spacious. Not really a view of anything. But the pool did look nice. We did sit for several hours by the pool door because they couldn't tell us when we could check in. But anyway, large TV here. I just had to turn it off. But this is a nice sized TV. You getting the TV? Good TV, Phil. Thanks. It's Stefan. It's not Phil. Anyway, full length mirror so you can get all your fit checks when you wake up in the morning. Send it to your followers. Pretty large bathroom, right? This is not a handicap accessible room though, but still pretty spacious, I would say. As you can see, here's the shower. You do have a bathtub. You do get the refillable like soap and shampoo and conditioner, which kind of makes me nervous. Sometimes I think, what if someone just decided to put Nair in there? I know. I have a problem. Anyway, it's pretty large. Doesn't seem that large though, because if I spread my arms, I can touch both walls. Is this good measurement, you think?
I mean, I guess for someone of your stature, yeah.
I'm 5'2", so do with that as you will. You do have 3 shelves here, and a hair dryer, and a toilet. You've seen it before, people. You shouldn't be that surprised by the toilets. Alright, and a sink. Single sink, no double vanity. That's fine. I think this is a nice size sink. Lots of space on the countertop.
And that's just the guest bathroom.
Is it really?
Is it not? How many bathrooms are there?
There's only 1 bathroom.
Oh, that is the main bathroom. All right.
Yeah. Now we have...
I thought those were en suite. Sorry.
Okay. Now there's the actual bedroom, right? So if you come in here, you'll see you have another television right in front of the bed. No big to do, right? Average size, what did you say? This is a king size bed. I do remember that from when we booked it. King size bed. On the side, I'm gonna have to. I do see an outlet in the back. Right? This is a channel we care about outlets. I do see an outlet in the back, but we need to have an outlet up here, so they need to work on that. Anyway, let's keep moving to the other side. You do have a phone on this side. 2 outlets over here and USB ports, so it's kind of far away from the bed. You need kind of a long cord to do your TikTok time. I care about those things. That's how I travel.
Charge your phone before you lay down, I guess.
I guess. That's how I relax. You do have a closet over here. Sorry, I'm making you run. Closet over here with a laundry bag, iron, and the luggage thing stand. Yes.
What about that view? See that view right there?
Let me see.
Open it up.
Let's see what we're working with. Oh, it's the highway. I love to wake up in the morning and look at the highway and the courtyard across the street. So, I mean, again, if you're staying here, you're probably staying because you're about to go on a cruise, or you're spending the night before heading to your final destination. But if you're just a lover of Fort Lauderdale, this is also a lovely place to stay. That is the tour of this room at the Residence Inn, Fort Lauderdale Airport and Cruise. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next adventure, okay, bye.